Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Narayan, your child's Year 12 Mathematics Extension 1 and Extension 2 teacher. Now I've already spoken to some of you, but we'll be contacting the rest of the parents soon. Now today what I will be discussing is your child's content area, so what has already been covered, the assessment task, and what still needs to be covered. Now for extension 1, we have covered trigonometric functions, introduction to vectors, calculus, which is further calculus skills. For extension 2, we have covered part of complex numbers, the nature of proofs, calculus, which is further integration, vectors in three-dimensional, and we have just started doing mechanics, which is the simple harmonic motion. Now in terms of the assessment, they have done 2 tasks in both the courses. Now for extension 1, they have done in-class test, and there was one take-home assignment to be completed. Now both have been completed. Same with extension 2, they had 2 tests, but both were in-class tests. So in terms of the next assessment, both courses will have the assignment, which they will be doing at home online. Now in terms of teaching, I will continue doing Zoom lessons, and the work will be posted on Hapara, and I will be in touch with them when we're having these Zoom lessons. For extension 1, we've got 3 topics left. We will continue with calculus next term. Then we'll be working on finding the volume of solids of revolutions, and then finally we'll finish up extension 1 course with differential calculus. For extension 2, we will continue with mechanics, which we already started, and then later we'll move to complete the rest of complex numbers, and finally the content will be finished with the rest of the proofs. So all I'll ask the students is to continue working hard as they have been working throughout the last 2 terms. It's only a term left to finish the content, and while we are doing online studies, I'll say for the students to continue doing past thesis papers and continue working the task I'm loading on Hapara. Thank you everyone.